Hello, second graders. This week I'm going to read you a book called Save the Ocean, which is written and illustrated by Bethany Stahl. This week we will celebrate Earth Day. I want you to be thinking about all the ways that you can help save the Earth. Somewhere in the ocean, surrounded by a sea of beautiful creatures, lives Kalisha, a brilliant young mermaid. One day, Agui swam by Kalisha's coral home on his way to find a delicious meal of jellyfish, Agui's favorite. "Can I come with you today?" Kalisha asked, hoping she could see more of the reef with her good friend who was almost 100 years old. "Of course you can, Kalisha. Grab onto my shell and let's go." Agui laughed as he swam forward with the current of the ocean. "Oh, look, I see some jellies over there," Kalisha exclaimed as she pointed to a group of jellyfish. With a big smile, Agui headed towards the jellies, eating so many like they were candy. Kalisha noticed something was wrong with Agui. He kept coughing on one of the jellyfish he ate and was trying to spit it back out. Kalisha rushed to grab the jelly and pull it out of Agui's mouth. "This isn't a jelly," Kalisha said, looking towards the group of jellyfish. Kalisha now realized that most of what she thought was jellyfish were just plastic bags, which ended up in the ocean, but they looked like jellyfish. "Oh, Agui, that is terrible. How do we clean up our oceans? Do you have any ideas?" Kalisha asked. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Those are great ideas. Together we can help each other recycle and teach everyone to use reusable bags instead of plastic. Then turtles like Agui won't accidentally eat trash anymore, Kalisha explained. Will you promise to recycle your plastic as much as you can? We can also use reusable shopping bags as much as possible. Together we can reduce the trash in our ocean so we can all enjoy a cleaner earth, Kalisha said. Soon there were so many people who were helping recycle their trash and protect the ocean that it became clean again. "I love my jellies," Agui said. "And I love you," Kalisha replied. "Thank you for protecting our home," exclaimed Kalisha and Agui. The end. If you go to YouTube, you can watch an animated audiobook of this story, as well as there are some different things you can do at the end. How many hidden starfish can you find? Can you count how many jellyfish there were? Some ocean facts, and about the author. So in this series, there are two other books, one called Save the Arctic and one called Save the Bees. They are free on Kindle Unlimited, or you can purchase and download them from Amazon if you want to read more. Thank you for listening, and I hope you have a great week.